Salam wa rahmatullah.
Yeah, please. My question is, Sheikh, I'm having a cesarean section on Monday.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. So what I'm asking is that I know I will not be able to fast for the month of Ramadan. So I want to know, can I feed some people during the period of Ramadan, or I have to pay it back after Ramadan?
Okay.
When I finished.
Any more questions?
That's my question. No, that's my question.
I will answer you, inshallah, Sarah.
Thank you.
Sarah's question is that she will not be able to fast the month of Ramadan due to a number of reasons. One, she is about to deliver, which means that it is difficult for her to fast if Ramadan is Friday or Saturday, and her due to have a cesarean operation on Monday. So she will have postnatal bleeding, and also she would be breastfeeding. So she's asking, is it permissible for her to feed for these missed days of Ramadan? The answer is no. As long, alhamdulillah, as you are in a good health and you don't have an illness that's incurable, a chronic illness, and you're not too old and too weak to fast, in this case you must fast. As soon as these obstacles are removed, there is the obstacle of pregnancy, the obstacle of postnatal bleeding, the obstacle of breastfeeding. As soon as you are capable and fit to make up for the missed days of Ramadan without harming yourself or your child, you have to do this, and there's no feeding or expiation for that. All what you have to do is just make a day in return of a day, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. Layla says,